Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add Magento UI image uploader on store configuration in Magento 2. So you can see that. Let me go to the stores configuration. We have offer. You can see that we have a select image uploader with the gallery, and you can see that here we can upload any kind of images, or you can see that I can upload the images here and select from the gallery here. So how we are going to create this in the for the store configuration, so let's have a look on that. So first of all, let me go to my code, and it is in the offer. So let's go to the offer, etc admin html system.xml. So in system.xml I have added a field which name is upload image. Okay, so it is from the block admin image, and so it will do the rest of the thing. So let's go to the admin html image. So it is in the block. So let's go to the block admin html image.php. So this is the code for uploading the image and creating the UI, such a kind of thing. So whenever the get element html, so it will upload like the preview temporary file. Okay, so url and all these things. Then we have added a cursive element. Then we are showing the image url. Okay, with the help of the knockout. This is basically a knockout component. Okay, you can see that knockout template. Then we are in it this one. So you will get this code also in some of the extension or some of the things, right? So we have upload with the help of this, and with the help of this value we are getting the image and showing it over here. So this is for that one part, and I will show you the full code so that you can write it and you will do the same. Okay, so if I'm going to save that image like this one, how to add this one, if I'm going to save this and open this in the localhost php myadmin, and you can see that the image path is saved. Okay, so this is that one, core config data. So let's go to the core config data, and you can see that the image path is saved. You can see that the image path is saved here. So like you can I can show you that at the same moment. You can see that the image is also saved at that moment. Then you can utilize that image in that way. Okay, so I hope you understand what exact how you can show that Magento UI configuration in Magento 2 store configuration. So any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.